Hey guys, welcome to AlbyTV. Let's start our activity session.
Welcome to AlbyTV!
Welcome to AlbyTV. What are we doing today?
Today we are going to make the 1 minute cake.
That's right, we're going to make a 1 minute chocolate cake, which may not be the healthiest option, but I think in these times we all need a little treat. And this is easy to make. You're going to make this for us today.
Yeah.
And it's cheap as well. And this one portion, we serve it between the 4 of us because there's 2 adults and
2 children.
What ingredients will everyone need?
We'll have olive oil, we'll have some coconut milk, we'll have some flour.
Well, that's plain flour.
Plain flour, we'll have some cocoa powder, we'll have some sugar, and we'll have a bowl.
Yeah, so this one we're using is caster sugar.
Yeah.
And this is like what you can get for hot chocolates
Yeah,
and anything you can find lying around the house.
Yeah.
And this one's plain flour.
Some coconut milk.
Yes.
Vegan coconut milk and
so
some olive oil.
So people can use whatever milk they prefer, but we are using coconut milk today.
Because I love coconut milk.
Yes. Okay, go on then. So do you remember how many tablespoons we need of each?
We need 3. 3.
2.
3.
2. 3, 2, 2. And they need to all be the same level.
Yeah, level.
Yeah, sure. Okay, now we need the cocoa powder. So this cake is going to go in the microwave for 1 minute. It's going to come out all gooey and lovely, isn't it? We're going to do our caster sugar. We need 2. Lovely job. So it should be looking something a little bit like that. And you're going to stir that up for us, aren't you, with the spoon?
Try and get it as precisely as you can, because you don't really want it too chocolatey or too plain.
That's right, yeah. You don't want it to be too sickly, but you also don't want it to taste like just pure flour. Some good stirring going on there. This is super easy. How old are you?
I'm 8.
And it is easy for you to make, isn't it?
Yeah. Probably make this with an adult nearby just because of the microwave, and so I don't put too much in.
Yeah.
But like, say you're, for example, 10 or maybe 11, into your teens maybe, you can make this alone.
Yeah. You need to put bring the jug up and put your tablespoon there. And that's it, careful, careful. And then put 1 in, 2 in,
3.
And 3, yeah. So we start with 3 tablespoons of milk. So we've got 3, 3, 2, 2.
Yeah, so we always need to mix it first because you want to see, because sometimes you might not need a bit more milk.
What do you think, a dash more?
Yeah, maybe
A little dash?
it's better.
Right, that's looking good. Shall we do our last ingredient, which is our oil? So pour this one on for you, Shly. Onto the spoon, we do 1 tablespoon of oil.
This is what it should like in the end. We've got 3 spoons. 1 for this boy, 1 for you,
Thank
1
you.
for me.
Good cake. Lincoln have some cake?
That is good. Now, if you want to try this, if you're, for example, under 10 or 11, I would get an adult to help you.
Okay.
If you're above 10 or in your teens or adult, you can do this alone. Very good. I do recommend this.
Very good cake, isn't it?
Yeah. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Come back to AlbyTV soon.